Microsoft rolled out the new feature for Microsoft Copilot in Word application. Now you will be able to translate the document or the paragraph to other language using AI functionalities of Copilot. So this is the good point to take a look of the features that are available in the Word that allows you to translate documents. So first of all, if you will select the content, you will have the Copilot icon that will allow you to select the prompt, but also you will have the capabilities of translate. This section will allow you to translate that section or the whole document using Microsoft Translator Services in Microsoft Azure with the cognitive services there, and none of your data will be also stored by Microsoft to teach these services. This is very well known present feature available in the Microsoft 365, so you can translate to other language and automatically you get the translation. Moreover, you can analyze that section in here and insert this part to the document. Another way to translate the document or part of it, and this is totally new functionality, is to use Microsoft Copilot. Now when you will select the content, you will be able to ask Copilot to translate it to Spanish. In the few moments, Copilot will take that data and translate it to other language and insert below current text. You can see we get that kind of translation immediately inserted to our content, and this is the totally new functionality that was not present till now. If you want to translate the whole document, you need to select whole content and then use the Copilot section to do exactly the same. In such a case, the whole document will be translated to the new language, and the only thing that is not working perfectly well is the changes in the area of the tables. You can see some kind of HTML code will drop in during the translation, but still this will be very easy to be fixed also using Copilot. Unfortunately, it is still not possible to use chat in Microsoft 365 Copilot and try to translate the document directly from here. Using that kind of prompt will generate just some description in the Spanish language, but will not translate document itself. Yeah, so you can get some kind of description of the document, but this is not the translation of the whole document. But because of integration of other Copilot, this feature should be available in here probably quite soon. If you want to see more videos like that, please leave the thumbs up, subscription or comments below. For now, thank you very much for watching.